How to add pronouns on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. This ensures that you have access to all the new features. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap Edit Profile. Now find the Pronouns section and tap on it. Here, you can add up to 4 pronouns. Just type in the pronouns you want, such as he, him, or they, them, and select them from the list. You also have the option to show your pronouns only to your followers by toggling the Show to Followers Only switch. If you want, you can change the language of your pronouns using the language selection at the top. Once you're done, tap Done in the top right corner. Now, your selected pronouns will appear next to your name on your profile. If you ever want to update them, just go back to the Edit Profile section and make any changes. That's how to add pronouns on Instagram.